Good morning to all. In this part, we are going to discuss about comparison of adjectives. Before beginning, let us remember what we learned in the last part. In the last part, we learned about adjectives. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. We also discussed about attributive and predicative adjectives. Attributive adjective means adjectives which came before a noun. Predicative adjective means the adjectives which comes after a noun or it is a part of the predicate. In this part, we are going to learn about comparison of adjectives. When we compare two or more nouns, the adjectives change in form. The three forms are called the degrees of comparison. In the last year, you may have learned about degrees of comparison. Do you remember which are they? Tell me. Yes, it is. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. There are three degrees of comparison. They are first one, the positive degree, second one, the comparative degree, third one, the superlative degree. The adjectives in its simplest form is said to be in the positive degree. It describes only the quality that an object has and there is no comparison involved. The positive degree of comparison is also known as zero degree comparison. Means here is no comparison is involved. For an example, a strong boy, a smart child, angry father. Here we are using the simplest form of adjectives. They are strong, smart, and angry. Second one, the comparative degree. When two people or things are compared, the comparative forms are used. We are using the comparative degree when we have to compare two people or things. For an example, Kunal is stronger than Chandu. Which of these pens is better? Here, stronger and better are the comparative adjectives. The third one, the superlative degree. When we compare more than two people or things, we use the superlative degree. The superlative means the highest degree of the quality that we are talking about. Among the three, it is the highest degree of quality. Superlative degree, we are used to compare more than two people or things. Examples, Asif is the strongest of all. Charu is the tallest girl in the class. The superlative degree of adjectives are strongest and tallest. Formation of the comparative and the superlative. Now let us see how to form a comparative and a superlative form of adjectives. Most adjectives form their comparative and superlative by adding er and est to the positive. They are called regular comparison. We can add er to the positive to get comparative and est to get superlative. The positive tall comparative form is taller, superlative tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Kind, kinder, kindest. When an adjective ends in E, only R and ST are added. If the adjectives are ends in E, we have to add only R or ST. Brave, braver, bravest. White, whiter, whitest. Wise, wiser, wisest. When the adjective ends in Y, if the adjective is end in Y with a consonant before it, the Y changes to I and ER and EST are added. If the adjective ends in Y and a consonant before it, then we have to change the Y into I and add ER or EST. Happy, happier, happiest. easy, easier, easiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest. When the adjective ends in a consonant with a short vowel sound before it, the last consonant doubles and er and est are added. If the adjective ends in consonant and before that, if it has a short vowel, a, e, I, o, u, any one of these before it, we have to double the last letter and add er or est. Hot, hotter, hottest, thin, thinner, thinnest, fat, fatter, fattest, sad, sadder, saddest. Many two-syllable adjectives that do not end in y and all adjectives with more than two syllables make the comparative and superlative by adding more before the comparative and most before the superlative. If the adjectives which has two syllables or more than two syllables, we have to add more before the word to make the comparative form and most before the word to make the superlative form. Proper, more proper, most proper, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, interesting, more interesting, most interesting, expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Now let us see the irregular form of comparison. Certain adjectives do not form their comparative and superlative in any of the above ways. The above ways we have seen that either we can add er or est to the adjective to make its comparative and superlative, or we can add more or most. But other than this, some adjectives do not follow these rules. Those forms are called irregular comparison. The three forms different from each other in the positive, comparative and superlative. Let us see the examples. Good, better, best. Much, more, most. Little, less, least. Bad, worse, worst. Old, older or elder, oldest or eldest. Far, farther or further, farthest or furthest. Some adjectives have two forms in their comparative and superlative. They have different uses in each form. In the above box, you have seen that old have two forms in comparative and superlative. Like the same way, far also have two forms each. But they have different uses in each form. Old, older, elder, oldest and eldest. Elder and oldest are used to talk of people. Elder and eldest are used to talk of people, not animal or thing, and exclusively for members of a family. We cannot say elder than. Older and oldest are both used with people as well as things. Here, elder and eldest are only used to talk about people, not about animals or things. And we cannot say elder than. And older and oldest are used both for people as well as things. Example, Tony is my elder brother. The oldest boy in the class stood up to defend the children. This is the oldest building in the village. Next, farther and further. Farther is used for distance and further to mean in addition to. We are using the adjective farther to talk something about the distance. But further means in addition to. Example, the airport was farther than the city than I thought. I want to hear no further argument. Now, let us see the difference between later, latter, latest, last. We use later and latest with a reference to time. When we are talking about time, we can use later and latest. Latter and last are used for position. Both latter and last we are used for positions. It is later than I thought. The latter part of the book was boring. What is the latest score? This is the last time I will help you. Now we are in exercise 2. Write the comparative and superlative forms of the following adjectives in the table below. Here downside 11 positive adjectives are given. We have to make its comparative and superlative forms. You can use the help of above boxes. Now you pause the video here, take a pencil and write down in your textbook the comparative and superlative forms of the following positive adjectives. Now check your answers. Black, blacker, blackest, unjust, more unjust, most unjust, lazy, lazier, laziest. Tired, more tired, most tired. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Brilliant, more brilliant, most brilliant. Little, less, least. Few, fewer, fewest. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Cute, cuter, cutest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Tell me how many of you made it all right? Very good. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with the right form of the adjectives given in brackets. In the brackets, you can see the adjectives. We have to use the right form, either positive, comparative or superlative according to the sentence. Pause the video here, take the pencil and start to fill the blanks. Here are the answers. First, I have an elder sister. Second, let us discuss this at a later class. Third, the poor woman once had a happier life. 4. The child is the youngest in the class. 5. Please be honest when you answer. 6. This is the most expensive dress I have ever bought. 7. He thinks he is the most intelligent boy in the class. 8. Chirag has many older friends. 9. June is the hottest month of the year in many parts of India. 10. Gold is the most precious of all metals. I hope all of you got the answers. Now copy both exercises to notebook and learn it.